Now, I will read out the list of the names. This will be constituency wise. I start with 2 Jowai, Mr. A. Andrew Shulai, who's the MDC. From 4 Mukayao, we have Mr. Lasting Suchiang. From 6 Clariat, Mr. Sunida Bare. From 7 Amlarem, Mr. Alban K. Gashnga. From 8 Mauhati, Dr. Saralyn Dorphang, Mrs. From 10 Jirang, Sri Sanmun D. Marak. From 11 Umsning, Sri Gilbert Nongrum. From 12 Imroy, Sri George B. Lingdo. From 13 Morankaneng, Sri Banshan Lang Lawai. From 14 Pinthormukra, Sri Sambor Lang Dingdo. From 17 North Shillong, Ms. Eljiva Gwenet Rinja. From 18 West Shillong, Sri Ivan Maria. From South Shillong, 19 South Shillong, Ian A. Lingdo Nongkri. From 20 Millam, Sri Gilbert Guiding Star Lalu. From 21 Nongthamai, Sri Charles Springrope. From 22 Nongkrem, Sri Jonas Jefferson Tyler Lamprang Lamare. From 23 Soyong, Studding Star Thaba. From 24 Mauplang, Sri Maukordor Rinja. From 25 Mausanram, Sri Vincent T. Sangma. From 26 Shala, Sri Plenus Kyotam. From 27 Prunosla, Sri Edmund Kongai. From 28 Sora, Sri Harold Firming Kongsit. From 29 Mokunro, Sri Dondor Marbanyang. From 32 Nongstoin, Sri Macmillan Kharbani. From 33 Rambrai Jirgam, Sri Fernandez S. Dakhar. From 34 Motion Road, Sri Justin G. Momin. From 35 Ranikor, Sri Savio Prangsi Dakhar. From 36 Mogurat, Sri Sounder S. Kaji. From 37 Kharkuta, Sri Cherak Watre Momin. From 38 Mendipathar, Sri Parinan D. Shira. From 39 Resubel Para, Sri Ronaldo K. Sangma. From 40 Bajengdoba, Sri Tengrak R. Marak. From 41 Samsak, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. From 42 Rongjeng, Sri Sengnam M. Marak. From 43 William Nagar, Sri Alphonsus R. Marak. From 44 Raksam Grey, Dr. Prabir D. Sangma. From 45 Tikrikala, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. From 46 Fulbari, Sri S. G. Esmatur Mominin. From 47 Rajabala, Dr. Muhammad Mizanur Rahman Kazi. From 48 Salsala, Sri Agassi R. Marak. From 49 Dadingri, Rupa M. Marak. From 50 North Tura, Sri Rupert M. Sangma. From 51 South Tura, Sri Richard Murong Marak. From 52 Rangsakona, Sri Zenith M. Sangma. From 53 Ampati, Srimati Miani Dalbot Shira. From 54 Mahendraganj, Srimati Dikanchi Dalbot Shira. From 55 Salman Para, Sri Vinison D. Sangma. From 56 Gambegri, Srimati Sadhyarani M. Sangma. From 57 Dalu, Sri Senkal A. Sangma. From 58 Rongra Siju, Dr. Rajesh M. Marak. From 59 Chokpot, Sri Lazarus M. Sangma, and from 60 Bagmara, Dr. Saljan Ringrang R. Marak. These are the initial names of the 52 candidates from the 52 constituencies.